Tired of double booking because your Google Calendar and Pipedrive don't talk to each other? I've been there too. Manually copying events back and forth is a huge time sink, and honestly, it's way too easy to miss an appointment. Here's how to sync them in about 2 minutes. We'll go step by step through Pipedrive's own settings to connect your Google account. No third-party tricks, no complicated workarounds. Let's start. First, open up your Pipedrive account. Just log in like you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look all the way up in the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a little circle. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu, select Personal Preferences. This opens up all your individual account settings. From the left sidebar, find the option that says Calendar Sync and click on it. Give the page a moment to load. It usually pops right up, but sometimes it takes a second or two. Now, on this Calendar Sync page, you'll see a field labeled Email Address. This is where you enter the Google account email that you want to connect, so type that in now. Take a moment to also read the information right below it. Pipedrive will show you a quick summary of what syncing actually does, which calendars will be affected, and how events will flow. It's good to know what you're agreeing to. Once you're ready, click the blue Connect Account button. A new window will pop up. This is Google asking you to sign in. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, it might show you a list of accounts to choose from. Just click the one you entered. If it asks for your password, go ahead and enter that too. And here's the really important part. Google will show you a list of permissions that Pipedrive is requesting. It wants to see your calendar events, create new ones, and update existing ones. This is standard for a sync to work properly. Read through the list, and if everything looks good, click Allow. Now we wait a few seconds while Pipedrive and Google shake hands. You should see a loading spinner or a success message. Once the connection finishes, you'll be taken back to that Calendar Sync settings page. Now, take a minute to review the settings that just appeared. Pipedrive will ask you how you want the sync to behave. Things like whether you want events from specific Google calendars to show up in Pipedrive, or if you want to sync in both directions. I've tested this a few times, and I always recommend syncing both ways. That way, an event you create in Pipedrive shows up on your Google Calendar, and anything you add in Google Calendar appears in Pipedrive. No more gaps. Make sure you save any configuration changes you make. There should be a Save button somewhere on the page. Click that. Finally, come back to the top of the settings page to verify your connection. You should see a green indicator or a message that says your Google Calendar is connected successfully. That's it. You're done. Now, every new deal meeting, every follow-up call you schedule in Pipedrive will automatically land on your Google Calendar. And anything your team or clients send your way through Google will show up right inside Pipedrive. No more manual typing, no more double booking stress. You've just given yourself back a little time and a lot of peace of mind. Enjoy that feeling.